Welcome to the Quick School. Today, we uncover a very important part of Indian democracy. How is a chief minister elected? Who give them power? What are their roles? And what can you do as a voter? Let's understand this step by step with real clarity. Who is the chief minister? The chief minister is the head of the government in a state. Think of the chief minister as the team leader or CEO of the state. What they do: take major decisions about your state, plan government spending and schemes, run services like education, public safety, and healthcare, represent the state in national discussions. The CM is the most powerful elected official at the state level. How the election process works. Let's break it down clearly. Step 1. Assembly elections. You vote to choose a representative for your area. These elected people are called MLAs, members of the Legislative Assembly. Step 2. Majority decision. The party or group that wins more than half the assembly seats is said to have a majority. Step 3. MLA meeting. The MLAs of the majority party or alliance hold a meeting. They pick one leader among them to be the chief minister. Step 4. Governor approval. This chosen leader is invited by the governor, who formally appoints them as CM. The CM then takes an oath of office. Step 5. Confidence vote. Sometimes, in some cases, the CM must prove majority support inside the assembly. So the journey is: voter MLA CM, chosen by MLAs, governor's approval. What if there is no clear majority? This is called a hung assembly. Here's what can happen. The governor may invite the largest party to form the government first. Parties may form alliances to reach a majority together. If no one gets support, fresh elections may be held. That's why alliances like NDA and Grand Alliance are formed, to combine their MLA counts. Powers and responsibilities of the CM. First, leads the state government, runs the cabinet, council of ministers, and assigns departments like health, law, and education. Second, influences lawmaking, proposes bills, guides policy, and sets the government agenda in the assembly. Third, advises the governor, suggests names of ministers, and is in charge of important appointments. Fourth, represents the state nationally, talks with the prime minister and other CMs about national plans. Fifth, head of administration, oversees budget planning, taxation policies, and state development. Remember, CMs aren't kings. They are elected leaders accountable to the assembly and the people. Why your vote truly matters. You may not vote directly for the CM, but your vote decides the MLA, and MLAs pick the CM. A responsible MLA leads to a responsible chief minister. So your vote is your voice in this whole system. Quick fact check. The chief minister must be an MLA. If not, they must get elected within 6 months. The longest-serving CM was Pawan Chamling of Sikkim, over 24 years. First woman CM, Sucheta Kripalani in Uttar Pradesh. How CMs can be removed. If they lose majority support, assembly votes against them. If they lose an election from their seat, or by resignation, like when alliances break. So now you know how India's chief ministers are chosen, what makes them powerful, and why your vote plays a direct role. Keep watching the Quick School to make civics easy and helpful for everyone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and keep learning every day.